Good afternoon, children. Children, today we are going to read about a very interesting poem, which is a talking in which two birds are talking about someone, and you will know who is someone. ठीक है? So the name of the your poem is Bird Talk. It is in your book, the chapter 3, class 3rd. Okay, let's start. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Okay, two birds naming Robin and Jay are talking to each other. Just like you, the children talk to your friends. Just in the same way, they are talking. Where they are talking? They are talking in the garden. And where they are sitting? They are sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, think where they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. What they are talking? They are talking that, they are saying that. Think about people, think where they grow. लोगों के बारे में सोचो. Who is people? People, we, human beings. They are talking about us. They are saying that we grow in that way. हम कैसे बड़े होते हैं? We don't have feather at all. We don't have feather. Do you have feathers? No. We human beings don't have feathers. Okay. Let's to the next paragraph. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wire and things. We don't eat beetles. What is beetles? Beetle means insects, कीड़े. We don't eat beetles. We eat? No, we don't eat beetles. But birds eat beetles. What birds eat? Birds eat beetles. Beetles means कीड़े, insects. They don't grow wings. We don't grow wings. We have? No, we don't have wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. We like. Do you like to sit on the wire? No, we don't like to sit on the wire. But who sit in the wire? Birds like to sitting in the wire. Okay, then. Things said Robin, things said Jay. Are not people funny to be that way? Robin and Jay are thinking, क्या हम लोग funny हैं? हम लोग बहुत funny हैं उनके according to the birds, we human beings are very funny because we don't do these things. Just because we don't do this, they are birds, we are human beings. So they think that we are funny. And what do you think about them? I think you will think they are funny because they do these things. Like they eat beetles, they have wings, they sit on the wires. So we think they are, and they think we are funny. So students, in this manner we have completed our poem, and you should learn it. You should watch my video, and I will upload this video on YouTube, and you can access it from there. And if you have any problem, any queries about this poem, then you can go in the comment section and you will write me, and I will answer you the questions of yours. Okay, and children, today, and also I have given you some questions. First is related to the previous chapter, the garden, the magic garden. So the question is, students, imagine that you have entered a large garden. You find many wonderful and beautiful things. Imagine, just think कि आप कहाँ पर चले गए हैं? एक wonderful garden, एक imagination का आपका garden है. Write down the names of the things that you may find there. आपको उन चीज़ों को लिखना है. You will write those things जो आप उस जगह मैजिकल गार्डन में देखना पसंद करेंगे. Okay, according to yours. Then the questions are related to this chapter, and in this new word meanings have been taught to you by me. Beetles means कीड़े. Sitting means बैठना. Wires means तार जो होते हैं, आपने देखा होगा. Then funny means विचित्र, अनोखा, एकदम अलग. Then I have given you 3 questions. First is name the 2 birds or in the poem. You will have to write the name of the two birds which we have talked in this poem. And the second is, what are the three things that people cannot do? You will have to write the answer in this, the three things that we human beings cannot do. And I think we have learned it. First is, we don't eat beetles, we don't sit on the wire, and one more thing, you will have to find that. Third question is, what do birds think of pupil? Birds we human beings के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? Is it clear? You will write the answers and you will send to me on WhatsApp. Is it clear, children? Okay, bye bye and take care.